The endocrine system plays a very important role in maintaining homeostasis. It does this by negative feedback. So let's take a look at the negative feedback loop between hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and the thyroid gland. The hypothalamus releases a hormone called thyroid releasing hormone, which activates the pituitary gland to produce thyroid stimulating hormone, which stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroxine. Thyroxine raises the body's metabolism, and at the same time, when thyroxine levels are high, it blocks the action of hypothalamus and pituitary gland so that no more thyroid stimulating hormone will be released. And in this way, it maintains homeostasis so that you don't get too much thyroxine and increase the body's metabolic rate to a point that might be harmful. The endocrine system plays an important role in bringing about rapid change. A good example is what happens during childbirth. During childbirth, the fetus's head presses against the cervix of the mother. This causes the receptors in the cervix to send messages to the brain. In the brain, the pituitary gland is turned on and it releases a hormone called oxytocin. Oxytocin is released into the blood, reaches the uterus, and causes strong contractions. So when the uterus contracts really strong, it squeezes against the fetus and makes the fetus head press even more against the cervix. As a result, this pathway is repeated many times in a positive feedback loop. This continues until the baby is born. And the purpose of a positive feedback loop is to bring about rapid action.